Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to the Allen family. I am Liesbeeck Res and therefore that's why it's the Allen family. I hope you're great. I hope you're doing good. I'm hoping you're having a great week and I hope you have a great 2024. So I'm going to be starting my academic year. It's not going to be really my academic year because it's first going to be orientation week, right? So I'm just going to name it my academic year because I don't have anything else to name it. So I want to capture my year. I've been through this, I've been through varsity, but every year is different, right? So I want to capture my moments for this year and I want to show it to you guys. I want you guys to be part of my journey from the beginning to the end, and that's why I've decided to make a YouTube channel. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you enjoy the ride. So I'm really looking forward to this journey and I hope you guys enjoy the ride. So hop on and let's go. Okay, before I start, right? I'm in Cape Town right now, but I also want to show you guys how I got here because I want you guys to see it from the beginning. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you a mini video of how I got here, right? And then I'll see you after.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I know, I know, you gotta talk alright. I know you gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that shit. Know that shit. Know that shit.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, that bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Just put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach Joe whip that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation, rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, why the cut this? Put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, why the cut this? Put it in the song, alright.
High volume.
I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. Cause everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down. Be that one to share your everything when no one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your homie. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me.
I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can comment them down below, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? Thank you in advance. So the name of the hotel is One Thigh Vault. It's really affordable, it's really great, it looks great in the pictures, and it looks great in person, and the service is amazing. The people here are super kind, and it's quite affordable. But we here on a January special. The January special is like you pay 2,000 for 3 nights, which is really affordable for a hotel in Cape Town that looks this amazing, right? But the normal prices are these are the normal prices, right? Anyway, today is a new day, so I'm also going to be showing how today goes.
Take a walk with me, baby. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Oh, everything that you want, you should make me your girl. Make me your girl, baby. Baby, come and share my world. I got what you need, so come share my world. Everything that you want, take a walk with me, Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. Your girl, your girl. Something that you need, baby, come and share my world. Something that you want.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, I'm basic.
Tô vendo amanhã, mamãe.
You wanna get with me, stop.
Few days, but it's still like this. Only been days, but it's still like months. For you, and move fast. Sound
Alright now. Busy.
My neighbor sleep like Madam Berry, but she don't love me, she's too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she doing. Will you be my lady? I wanna touch you together, baby.
What you say now? Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal.
Oh, let me give you guys a room tour after a lot has happened. But here's the bathroom. At least I'm not sharing, and at least I don't have a bathtub, because you know this Rays is famous about having bathtub situations. And then here is the bed. I don't know why this is in the middle. I don't know what's going on here. And these are the wardrobes. Let me see how they look. everything quite spacious, so that's okay. It's not as if I have a lot of clothes, but you know. Oh. Yeah, these are the wardrobes. And then this is a mirror, which I'm glad to have a mirror because I didn't have one last year. I really needed one. And this is my study table, I guess. But one thing I'm not happy about is that the fact that my pin board is like this side and my table is this side. So I wished it to be in front of the table, but I mean, that's okay. And this is my fridge. It's okay. And then this is my mini kitchen, but it's not mini, it's actually enough for me. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really happy about it. I'm not complaining. And then I have a microwave here, and then let's see what's on the other side. Ooh, I have like a mini balcony. So this is the balcony, and this is the view of the balcony.
You ain't shit, you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you.